Enter the captivating world of fitness alchemy, where the fusion of creatine and protein ignites a spellbinding transformation for your body and performance. Picture the Energizer sorcerer creatine, providing bursts of magical energy, and the muscle magician protein, mending and building muscles like a master craftsman. Together, this enchanting duo unlocks your true potential, shaping your physique and empowering your spirit. Join us as we unravel the captivating tale of creatine and protein, where science meets sorcery, and the results are nothing short of magical. Combining creatine with protein is a common practice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Both creatine and protein are popular dietary supplements known for their potential benefits in enhancing exercise performance, muscle growth, and recovery. Let's take a look at what really happens when you combine creatine with protein. Improved muscle recovery. Combining creatine with protein can be particularly beneficial for muscle recovery after intense exercise. During strenuous workouts, muscle tissues undergo micro-tears and metabolic stress. Protein, with its rich source of essential amino acids, acts as the building blocks for repairing these damaged muscle fibers. By consuming protein along with creatine post-exercise, you provide the body with a readily available pool of amino acids, optimizing the recovery process. This combination helps expedite muscle repair, reduce muscle soreness, and enhances the overall adaptation to exercise. The synergistic effect of creatine and protein can help athletes and fitness enthusiasts bounce back faster from challenging training sessions, allowing them to train more frequently and consistently, ultimately leading to better long-term progress in their fitness goals. Synergistic effect on muscle growth. When you combine creatine with protein, something awesome happens for your muscles. It's like they become workout buddies, cheering each other on and making gains together. Creatine, that energetic friend, helps your body produce more of that fuel called ATP, which gives you that extra boost during intense exercises. And guess what? Protein, being the repair expert, comes to the rescue to mend those little muscle tears caused by your tough workouts. So, with creatine's energy and protein's repair skills working hand in hand, your muscles grow bigger, stronger, and more impressive than ever before. It's like a winning team, helping you crush your fitness goals and perform at your peak. So if you're serious about building muscle and getting the most out of your workouts, combining creatine with protein is the way to go. Enhanced exercise performance. When you team up creatine with protein, you've got a dynamic duo that takes your exercise performance to a whole new level. Picture this: creatine swoops in with its superpower of boosting your body's energy production, especially during those quick bursts of intense activity like weightlifting or sprinting. It's like having a secret stash of energy ready to unleash whenever you need it most. But wait, there's more. Protein, being the muscle's best buddy, steps in to provide those essential amino acids that help repair and rebuild your hard-worked muscles. Together, they form an unbeatable alliance that helps you crush your workouts with newfound strength and endurance. So, whether you're lifting weights like a champ, running like the wind, or powering through any physical challenge, combining creatine with protein is like having your very own power-up combo, fueling your success every step of the way. Increased muscle strength. You won't believe the magic that happens when creatine and protein team up to boost your muscle strength. Imagine creatine as the mighty foundation, supporting your muscles with increased energy production and improving your ability to power through intense exercises. It's like having an inner strength that propels you to lift heavier weights and push your limits further than ever before. But here's where the protein steps in as the true hero, providing those essential building blocks for muscle repair and growth. With protein by your side, your muscles can bounce back stronger after every challenging workout. Together, this dynamic duo creates a potent formula for muscle strength gains that will leave you amazed and proud of your progress. So, if you're dreaming of unleashing your inner powerhouse and making serious strides in your strength training journey, combining creatine with protein is the ultimate game changer that'll take you from strong to superhero strong. Better absorption and utilization. The combination of creatine and protein is like a well-choreographed dance that enhances nutrient absorption and utilization in your body. Picture this: creatine clears the path and opens up the muscle cells' gates, making them more receptive to absorbing nutrients. It's like creating a highway for all the essential amino acids from protein to flow right into the muscles where they're needed most. This synergistic effect optimizes the delivery of nutrients and energy, ensuring that your muscles get the best of both worlds: quick energy replenishment from creatine and the essential building blocks from protein for repair and growth. So, when you combine creatine with protein, you're not just doubling their benefits, you're creating a harmonious symphony that maximizes the impact of these nutrients, allowing your body to perform at its peak and achieve the fitness results you've been dreaming of. Improved body composition. The dynamic duo of creatine and protein has a remarkable impact on body composition, transforming your fitness journey into an inspiring success story. Creatine's ability to enhance exercise performance and stimulate muscle growth, combined with protein's role in muscle repair and synthesis, sets the stage for a sculpted physique. As you engage in regular workouts and fuel your body with this potent combination, you'll witness a gradual shift in your body composition. Muscle mass increases, as creatine and protein work together to build stronger and more defined muscles. Simultaneously, body fat may decrease, especially when accompanied by a well-balanced diet and appropriate training regimen. This transformation isn't just about appearance, it's about achieving a healthier, more energetic, and confident version of yourself. With the power of creatine and protein on your side, your body composition journey becomes a testament to the incredible potential of this dynamic partnership. As we conclude this captivating journey into the world of fitness alchemy, we hope you've been inspired by the magical synergy of creatine and protein. Just like a wizard's spell, this dynamic duo holds the power to transform your workouts and sculpt your dream physique. Whether you're striving for athletic greatness or seeking to unlock your inner strength, harnessing the potential of creatine and protein can lead you to new heights of performance and vitality. So, as you venture forth on your fitness quest, remember the potent combination that awaits: the Energizer Sorcerer creatine and the Muscle Magician protein, working in harmony to create a fitter, stronger, and more empowered you. Embrace the magic of this dynamic partnership and unleash the extraordinary possibilities it offers. Now, go forth and embark on your own fitness alchemy journey. May it be filled with wonder, growth, and the fulfillment of your greatest aspirations.